Hi there, welcome to the channel. I'm still in Great Yarmouth and today we are taking a walk down the beach and onto the pier, checking out what's going on down there. So yeah, come and join me. Let's go and have a look. And remember, if you like the video, please subscribe, please hit the like button, hit the little bell for notifications, and that will be fantastic. Also, if you want to help support the channel, I have got a buy me a coffee thing, so check out in the description and you can help me out on more adventures. Okay, let's do this. See you in a sec. Woohoo! So yeah, we're just walking down the side of the beach. There's the pleasure beach just at the back there. You'll be able to see the video of that on my channel. If I've posted it, I'm sure I will. It's looking a bit cloudy up there today. But yeah, lovely sandy beach. And right in the distance you can see the pier, which we're about to have a walk down. So yeah, let's crack on and see where we end up. So I'm just going to pan around the beach for you. Wow, them clouds look really full on. I kind of like them. Lovely sand dunes there. Over to the pleasure beach, just at the back. I'll spin all the way around, see where we are, the seawall there, and there's a bit of a railway or safari run just through there, some dinosaurs and all that stuff. Cool, let's carry on. Just taking a walk on the beach, heading over to the sea. Let's go and have a look, go and see the sea. See you in a sec. So here we are, right down the side of the sea, down the seaside. Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. So yeah, it's lovely, beautiful sandy beach, as I said before. Love the sand, the waves, so lovely. So this is the first pier. It's had a bit of a chop by the looks of it. Half the pier's missing, so you've just got like the first bit. Which I presume is an arcade, and then they've got the winter gardens at the back of it and a Ferris wheel, and a bit further down the coast there is a second pier which has got a roller coaster on the end of it. So yeah, let's keep on mooching. So this is the back of the pier. Looks like it's been chopped or it's fell down or something. So yeah, I'll just move across there. It looks really cool though, and that's the bit what's left. Wow, so these are the old struts of the pier. I didn't do any research on this, so I have no idea what happened to this pier, but it looks very, very cool. Nice photograph opportunities going on there. But yeah, check out the beach, it's so lovely. Really beautiful beach. And over there we've got Sea Life Centre, Ferris wheel, and the other pier. So we're just at the other side of the pier now, or the first pier. Give you a spin round, there's the beach. And I'm about to head to the old winter gardens. I've just found these really sweet old posters, check that out. Really cool. Let's have a bit of a walk around here. This is around the fencing to the winter gardens, which, like I say, has had a grant to get some restoration work done. So yeah, I'll show you what it looks like right now. So there it is, the winter gardens. Bet that was such a beautiful old building in its day. But it's so good to know they've had a grant to do some restoration work and get it back up to its former glory. Amazing stuff. I'm guessing that's the original entrance there. It's going to look absolutely fantastic when it's done. Cool. Okay, let's crack on. So we're down on the promenade now, just going past Sea Life Centre. I remember going here years ago. And there's a Ferris wheel just next to that. Seems to be quite busy. Sunday, today's Sunday. So yeah, there's Sea Life Centre. Looking cool. And the Ferris wheel. So I'm just at the bottom of the Ferris wheel now. Cool little pods, little enclosed pods, so it doesn't matter what the weather's like, which is quite useful being in the UK. Check it out. Fantastic. Okay, let's keep walking down the seafront. Or the promenade, should I say. The other side of the road, we've got loads of fish and chip shops. Adventure Golf, Harry Ramsden's over there. Lots of shops and things. Just here we've got a t-shirt shop. A t-shirt shack right at the seafront. And over there we have more takeaways. A pub, arcades, all that sort of stuff. And of course, milkshakes, hot dogs, chips, all that malarkey. Cool, cool. Let's crack on. So here we've got Castaway Island 18-hole mini golf. Looks really cool. A bit of a look through there. Fantastic. Oh, it's like being in Blackpool. We've got the horse and carriages going past. I'm just heading up to this little bit with lots of cafes, coffee shops, places to sit and eat, which is cool. Oh, we've got crepes there. Of course, candy floss, donuts, all that stuff. Fish and chips and more. Oh, we've got a little train going down the seafront too. Cool. Yay. Fantastic. So I'm just heading up towards the beach and it looks like there's been a classic car show on today. Very cool. There's a few still here. I think most of them are packed up now, but there's still a few here. So yeah, let's go and have a look. A little bit of a bonus, what I didn't expect. Got a couple of really cool hot rods here. Check that out. Fantastic. That's a little pickup truck. Right next to that. Check this. Fantastic. So just inside one of the hot rods, check this out. So cool. Wow.
I'm not going to keep it long, I've only had it 19 years.
19 years, wow, blimey. I love the paintwork.
Pardon?
I love your paintwork down the side, it's really lovely.
Yeah, I had that done, a mate of mine done it. That was his first attempt at doing anything like that.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. And
amazing.
They're all proper textiles.
Are they really?
They're not, you know, people go and they photograph things and
Yeah,
they
yeah.
don't get it. They're all genuine.
Oh, genuine textiles. Check that out. It's so cool.
Yeah,
Lovely.
Yeah, you run your fingers across them and feel where they all are.
Oh, yeah. Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're
That's
welcome.
lovely. Thank you. Have a great day. And we've got another cool car coming up here. Wow. Nice pinstripe paintwork there. Lovely. Looking really cool. Thank you. Let's have a quick look inside. Wow. Love it. Very, very cool. Thank you so much. Cheers. Ace. So there's a view of the second pier and the little Joyland, which is just here. Some more cars on the way around, so we can check them out too while we're there. But yeah, that's Joyland. Little kids theme park. It's a coaster what runs around the top there. That's very cool. And also, we've got these. Check these out. Wow, amazing. Chevrolet engine there. Woohoo! Look at this. This is absolutely amazing. Beautiful paintwork. Shop roof. Lovely. Oh my God, that's so gorgeous. I love the colour. And check out how slim that is. Amazing. Got this really cool Nova SS. Fantastic. 1987 tags in the window. Cool. Beautiful interior. Looking fantastic. There's some more over here too. Wow. What a treat. Lovely paintwork on this. It's airbrushing going on. Beautiful colour. Love it. Very cool. And we've got a Chevrolet sitting here. I'm so glad I made this walk down the beach. I had no idea this was happening. So cool. That looks amazing. It's in immaculate condition. All these have been in such beautiful condition. Check this out. That is so amazing. Wow. Completely over the top. I love it. That's inside the cab. Massive exhaust pipes down the side. Wow, that is so cool. I love it. Diggers Express Delivery. Check that out. It's so cute. Right next to that, we've got a 1932 International Harvester panel van. I know that because I've just read it. With cool art on the side for tattoo studio. Very, very cool. There's one of the hot rods leaving now. Fantastic. Okay, let's head over to the pier. And here we are at Britannia Pier with a nice hot rod, the same colouring of the logo up there. So yeah, let's crack on and check it out up here. Lots of acts coming up. We've got Shawaddy Waddy and Jimmy Carr. What more do you want? Cool, cool. Here's the entrance of the pier. We've got lots of food places on the way in. Jacket potatoes, ice creams. Got a cookie dough shop. Fish and chips place there. Crispers fish and chips. It's very busy, very popular. Okay, we're just heading onto the pier now. So this is Britannia Pier, so I guess that's why all the red, white and blue are everywhere. We've got another camel derby this time. Looking cool. It's a bit of a longer pier than the other one. Wouldn't take much though. There we are, looking over the beach. Some arcades. Lovely traditional pier, really cool. Nice for the beach there. You can just see the second pier and the Ferris wheel, the winter gardens. Yeah, a little view of Yarmouth. So there's the brand new coaster, the Grand Prix. I think this was only put up this year. Nice little coaster there. With the racing car theme. Very nice. Nice green track, love it. The classic ghost train, right at the end there. Beautiful. We've got dodgems there. Nice dodgems. A little carousel. And spin you all the way around to the coaster. Fantastic. So that was a little walk and a little look at the pier in Great Yarmouth and some bonus American cars, some hot rods. Fantastic. Really, really cool.
If he couldn't have me on to say, I wouldn't be in a cup that nobody else. I'm trying to think in every word that he said. Swinging in the ugly all out of my bed. He's done a voodoo to do me. He's done a voodoo to do me. And that's the bad mix of as a girl can be. He done a voodoo to me. Shots and